What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to generate over $12,000 from this platform known as Legiit. If you are from Nigeria, Ghana, United States, Canada, India, or any part of the world you are from, and you have been looking for a way to make money consistently online, pay attention to this video because this video will help you to achieve just that. So as you can see, I've made over $12,000 from this platform and I've withdrawn over $11,718. I will refresh this page right now so that you will see that this money is real. As you can see, it's refreshing right now. This money you're seeing right here is real. So pay attention to this video and you are going to use what I'm sharing with you right here to go ahead and start making money from this platform. And before we go into the video, let me share with you some other people that are also making this kind of money from this platform. Okay, this is the first person I will be sharing with you. Here is Oluwashon. He has completed over 140 orders here and he has generated over $5,000 from this platform. And this is another person known as Kolade. Both of these guys are from Nigeria. Me, I'm from Nigeria. But look, guys, if you are from any other part of the world, you can still make much more money for yourself. It's not a must that you must be from Nigeria to make this money. So, but what I'm trying to show right here, it doesn't matter the country you come from. Like you can see, this guy is from Akure, Ondo State in Nigeria, and he's been able to make this kind of money. So wherever country that you are coming from, you can be able to make this kind of money and much more from this platform. Just pay attention and let's jump into the video. But before we do that, guys, if you are new to this channel or if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly click the subscription button so that whenever I drop a YouTube video, YouTube is going to notify you. And make sure you click that bell notification button, because what it does is that whenever I drop a new YouTube video, YouTube is going to notify you that Martin just dropped a new YouTube video, so that you can rush in here, watch the video, take advantage of what I'm sharing with you, so that all of us are going to win in this online game. Okay, so guys, and also please do well to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube algorithm can show it to more and more people, so that they will also benefit the same thing that you are benefiting right now. Okay, so let's jump into the video and I will show you guys how I was able to generate this money and the platform I used to do that. All right, guys, so the platform that we are talking about here is known as Legiit. So Legiit is a freelancing platform where freelancers offer their services to business owners. Understand? Legiit is very similar like Fiverr. If you have known about Fiverr, or if you have tried selling at Fiverr, is basically the same thing with Legiit. But Legiit is much more better, it's much more beginner friendly because of the ecosystem and how Legiit is being built. Legiit is basically built to help people to make money online and help people to build a longer relationship with their clients, because most of the people that are on this Legiit platform buying services from freelancers are not just business owners that are looking for one-off services. Most of these guys are agency owners. These are guys that will keep on buying your services. These are people that have their agencies in the UK, in the United States of America, and they are looking for freelancers they can work for or they can work with for a longer period of time. So if you are able to render your services here, if you are able to start getting and deliver quality services here, you will have people that you are going to be working for consistently. These are not one-off customers. These are people that own agencies, that have clients that they service, that they will keep on patronizing your services based on how good your services is. So that's one of the reasons why you have to pay much more attention to this platform, and that's one of the reasons why I think it's far more better and beginner friendly, unlike Fiverr. Then another thing that will make this platform worthwhile and that helps beginners to start making money immediately from it is the Facebook group. As you can see right here, when I click this Facebook group, Legiit has its own dedicated active Facebook group of 8.7k members. Mind you, people that are here are not just freelancers. Majority of people that are here are those agency owners that I'm talking about, the people that will keep on buying your services, the people that are always here looking for freelancers that are offering something different or something great offers that will attract them to them. You understand? So, like I promised that I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make this money, so that once you are registered, you got registered and approved from this on this platform, you can go ahead and start making money. I'll put a link in the description below on how you can be able to get registered to this platform. You follow that link, click on it, and follow the processes to get registered. And once you are approved, here are the things that you have to pay attention to, and the things that help me to be able to generate this amount of money on this platform. So, as you can see right here, there are so many services you can offer. For example, let's just say that, okay, here you are offering a logo design service. Once you list your service and you are being approved and you get into the Legiit Facebook group, there are two major uh, events, or like, yeah, there are two major events that take place in this Facebook group. There is one that we called Legit Monday. So it looks, yeah, something like this. Legit Monday. What happens here is that every Monday, each freelancer is allowed to post not more than 10 posts of their own services or any service, any other person's services that they like. You can come into this group and post it with your discount code, trying to attract those agency owners I'm talking about to see your post and to definitely buy what you are offering them. Guys, this thing happens every Monday, and this is basically how most freelancers generate their first sales. This has been very, very massive, and do make sure that you didn't violate before you post anything here. Once you are approved, make sure you read the rules and regulations to avoid getting banned from this Facebook group, because once you get banned from this Facebook group and you have not built up your customer base, it can be very difficult for you to start getting orders on Legiit, because this Facebook group is what will definitely help you to start generating much more orders on Legiit. Okay, guys, so this Legit Monday is very, very important. You don't miss out for. But what where it first happened for me when I get into Legiit is from the one that is being known as the Legiit weekly roundup. So what happens here is that every Friday, Legiit normally send out a newsletter. You see what this goes out on Friday. Every Friday, Legiit normally sends out a newsletter to their clientele base, to their email subscribers, with them showing them amazing offers of the week for them to come and do what? To buy from. Then I was so lucky that my services was also selected here. They don't choose people, they select people as in, they don't just choose a particular set of people to select, so that you not lose hope and say that they're not going to choose you or they're not going to choose this person. Or you just have to be consistent in this platform. So every Friday they send out this newsletter to their email. Let me show you how that newsletter is. Okay, this is it here. This is on Friday. This last Friday right now that just passed. This is June 25. This is how it is. Good afternoon, hi UC, good afternoon, and happy Friday, blah blah blah. Okay, so yeah, this is what I'm looking for. You see, some of the deepest discounts. Grab these limited time deals at deep discounts. So as you are seeing here, this is someone's service here. Speed up and optimize your WordPress website up to 90%. Save 40% of the code. Then this is the code of the person. If I copy this thing right here, click on this link. Maybe I want to buy this service. Click on this thing. It opens. Okay, I'm currently logged out of the platform, but as you can see, it's showing me the person's services. So I can, if I click add to cart, I will put on the discount code, and everything will just go as normal. So that's basically it on the Legiit weekly. So what you have to do once, This the person that is posting this is Chris M. Walker. This is the founder of Legiit. So once you see this post, what you have to do is to come under it just like this person is doing. You see so many people commenting, you put in your services, put in your discount code, put in the link of your service directly to your service. So definitely, once you keep on doing this, what Legit normally does is that they will come and go through the whole services here, choose probably the most mouth-watering service, discount code and services that are being listed here, and include it in their Legit roundup. So once the email is being sent out, you have a higher possibility of being selected. And like I said, if you are able to deliver wonderful services here, even if you don't know how to do it, you can find people that can be able to deliver that service and build good client relationship with most of these customers. They will keep on coming back for more. They will keep on coming. Like I said earlier, these guys are mostly agency owners. They have their agency in the UK, they have their agency in Canada, they have their agency in United States of America, and their customers or their clients, they work in a long term, so they will definitely keep on using your services and needing you to provide that service you are giving to them once you're able to give them what they are looking for. Do you understand? So these two, the Legit Monday and the second one, which is the Legit weekly roundup, will definitely help you guys to start generating good sales from here. Like, okay, as you can see here, this person just listed my first order, Legit. Thanks, Chris M. Walker. This person just saying thank you for for getting his first order on Legit. As you can see, like this person says, still I am waiting for my first order. Like you can see, like this Facebook group, this is 5 hours ago. This platform is active, super active, and most people get their first orders from here. Most people are getting their first order from here. Just completed another job with 5 star. So, guys, this information I'm sharing with you right now, you need to pay absolute attention and take action immediately. I'm going to put the link in the description on how you can get started with this platform on Legit. Remember, you can sell any ever service you want here. Once you click on that link, you can come here, look at the services here, list the ones that you can do, or list the ones that you know you can hire somebody to do for you, and start posting here on Legit Monday, and start posting on weekly roundup. And I believe that you are going to make massive sale from this particular stuff and be able to make this kind of money I've just made here, or the money that these guys have just made here. Okay. All right, guys, I believe that you get massive value from this video, and please make sure that you click the subscribe button on this YouTube channel and that bell notification button, so that whenever I drop a valuable YouTube video just like this, YouTube is going to notify you, so that you get in here, get what I call the first timer advantage. Because what I will be doing on this channel is to show you guys what is currently working right now, so that you can get in here, take advantage, and start making good money for yourself online. Okay, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, so that YouTube will show it to more and more people, so that more people will also get access to this information and be able to generate much more money for themselves online. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.